What is going on, heisters? I'm going to teach you how to look like a hacker. Okay, this build is fantastic for anything from normal down to Death Wish. You're pretty much invincible, but you're going to remember you want cover at moments, but you will regain health that quickly, you are going to look like a hacker. Obviously you're going to want the grinder perk deck. Aside from that, it's a very selfish build. Your main skill in this kind of level is going to be the fact that you can't go down whatsoever if you know how to play the game properly. As always, this is a Let's Play. I'm going to speed this up just so you can see how it's meant to be used. And for any of you mid-level players, you are going to look like a god to the new players. If you're a new player, you're going to look like the absolute sickest cunt out there. Here's why we went all the way up the hostage tree, is because we want these cops to turn into converts, the jokers, whatever turn of phrase you want, because you'll get more health for them. Number 2, domination. Let's smash this out. Watch this health bar, we are quite literally just pucking around with the cops at this stage.